everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to fix Fidelity login problem. If you're trying to log into your Fidelity.com account, but you are not being able to do so, then there might be several reasons for that. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, go and open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box, type in www.fidelity.com and press enter on your keyboard. Accept the Fidelity International's users terms and agreement by clicking I accept. Once you end up in the official web page of fidelity.com, click on the login button to end up in the login page. Now, if you're trying to log into your account but you are not being able to do so, then the first thing to keep in mind is to make sure that you are entering the correct credential for the account. If you don't remember your username, you can click on the forgot username or password link. Same goes for the password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the same link and then you'll need to fill in some of your basic information about your account. Make sure to type in your first name correct and then your last name as well. Enter your date of birth, but make sure that the date of birth matches the records on your Fidelity account. Type in your last 4 digits of social security number. If you've got a tax ID number, you can click on the second link and fill in your tax ID number as well. And finally, click on the continue button. With the information that you've provided, it'll help you look for your user ID or reset your password. Also, make sure that your device that you're using is connected to a stable internet. Sometimes, even after entering the correct credentials, you might not be able to log into your account. So in that case, don't forget to clear out the cache and cookies from your web browser that you're using. Click on the 3 dots which should appear at the top right of any web browser out there. In the pop-up, click Settings and click on Privacy Search and Services option on the left-hand side. Scroll down under Clear Browsing Data and click on Choose what to clear. If you see this pop-up, make sure to check the boxes where it says Cookies and other site data and Cached images and files. Uncheck any other boxes, since you might lose some of the data that you don't want to during the process. Finally, click on the Clear Now button. Once you clear out your cache and cookies, you might be able to solve the login issue. Go ahead and enter your username and correct password and try logging in again. If you're still not being able to do that, go back to the settings menu again from the web browser and click on About button at the bottom left. If there is any updates available for your web browser, then it'll automatically start updating. Make sure that your web browser is up to date so that you can smoothly log in to any services out there. Once the update is completed, you can go back to the login screen and try logging in and try logging in again to resolve the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your Fidelity.com account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.